Yeah, cars on the sides of the highway, because they don't salt it in Kansas or Missouri. It's appearing. What is that? They don't put any salt down or use plows? This is ridiculous. Going like 20 miles an hour and sliding. Oh, here's another one. Oh, there's about to be a third. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I don't become one of them. Oh shit. There's another one. This is the worst highway conditions and street conditions I've ever driven in. Ever. Especially after it's like 12 hours after the blizzard arrived. More than. Is the fourth car on this video. I was taking others. We have fifth and sixth here, which does prove that my theory that most Kansas drivers cannot drive. I don't even know where a lane is. What is this? Another one? Another one? Oh, another one on this ramp.